how are you today? This is Manang Mimi here, and I'm going to have a tutorial about how to make your own cloth mask without sewing, or about using your socks as your mask in case you don't have mask and you cannot find one because it's always out of stock. I will gonna show it to you how to make your own cloth mask without sewing involved here. Just like 3 or 4 cuts and you have a cloth mask. When you go out, a comfortable one. All you do is one sock. Okay? Adult sock cloth mask. I use the sock that it's not used for a while. This sock is fairly new, and then I will show it to you the sock also that's my son growing it, so I'll show it how to have a homemade cloth mask without any sewing involved here. That you want to use, mine is the short type of sock, and all you do is you're gonna cut here. If you prepare a little bit longer, that's fine too, but mine is I'll just cut in here first. There, that's first cut. Cut is you have to cut the top down here or from the bottom here. It doesn't matter. You cut on the top, whether you start here or here. Okay, then cutting in there. So that's the second cut. The third one, so you got to fold. Hold on. Okay, after we cut, first I always repeat it again. We cut there, and then we cut. After that, we cut in the top, and we fold it like that. The third cut is, hold on. From here, here going down there. After you fold it, I'll show it to you. After you fold it, you cut it from there going down. Cut from the corner going down here, and the same thing with the other side. There it is. All you do is after it's kind of like you fold it like that, and then you open the other side. You just get the other side, and there. If you want it a little bit shorter, you cut it this area, it's okay too, but mine is I just do it simple. There it is. Isn't that easy? No, so just 3 cuts. The middle, the side, and the both sides. Oh no, actually 4 cuts, but easy. So you have your own cloth mask without sewing, or if you want to put this paper towel or toilet paper, depend whatsoever you want to put in the middle, so it's thicker, or filter you put there, it's fine too. There it is. Here's your soft cotton, and it's stretchable. It's not hurting your hair, not like the elastic. Sometimes it's really tight, it hurts, but this one is different, so it's really easy. So the same thing with the small, for the kids, sackcloth mask. Kids, all you do is you cut the end of this, and you do the same thing. You cut the top afterwards, and then you fold it. Okay, I will show it to you. There it is. You cut the end, and then you cut the top. I already done cutting the very top, and then you got to fold. You can fold it like that, and then you cut the side, both side, and that's all done. Okay, I already done cutting both side, and that's the looks. The heel part of the sack is pointing to the nose, like the nose area, and then this one is the ears butcher, and it's stretchable, and then you can put if you want to put cloth or paper towel or toilet paper in there to make it thick. Okay, that's done. After